Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this YouTube tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record your screen using Camtasia Recorder. On top of that, I can also show you how you can actually export the recording after the recording is completed by Camtasia Recorder using Camtasia Studio, which is a free video editor that you get with Camtasia Recorder. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first and foremost, who is going to use Camtasia for their recording? And who is the target audience for this particular software? If I'm being honest with you, Camtasia can be used in almost all contexts if you know how to use the software. But if you're a beginner user and you don't want to spend that much time tweaking a software, students, teachers, and online tutors or people who create YouTube tutorials online should use this tool as it has all the features, all the options, and also comes with a free editor that you can use to modify the video recording or the screen recording afterwards. On top of that, Camtasia also offers you to record your screen and your webcam at the same time, which could solve a lot of problem, and you don't have to use OBS Studio or anything similar to that in order to just complete a simple task. So long story short, this software is suitable for teachers, online tutors, YouTube content creators, and gamers who want to spend a lot of time sharing their screen with people in their team or in their network. If you are working in a corporate environment or if you want to share a screen related to your work with your colleagues or your peers, I would strongly recommend you to use something called PepoCloud. PepoCloud is an online web application that I've been using for quite a long now. To be honest, PepoCloud has completely replaced all screen sharing softwares for me. It is affordable, it doesn't need any installation, and you could just go to pepocloud.com, start using this web application right away. The user interface is really easy to get around and you don't need to learn anything in order to get started with this application. So if you're somebody who wants to share a lot of recordings related to work and want to share their screen with their team members, PepoCloud is the right choice in this context. Now let's jump into the tutorial and see how you can record your computer screen using Camtasia Recorder, and after that how you can actually export the recording into various file formats. As you can see on my screen, I have the Camtasia Studio's recorder panel open. If I want to record the screen, all I have to do is tweak these settings and click on the record button. On the extreme left corner, you will see that the screen 1 is showing the complete resolution of my screen, and on the extreme right corner, you will see that I have a microphone active and a system audio active. After configuring all of these sections, you can actually tweak the perimeter and set boundaries to areas that you want to record. After you completed the record, you can just open up a browser or whatever you want to record and check it out to see that whatever you want is actually available on the screen before pressing the record button. I'm going to just open TechRadar, which is one of my favorite tech websites, and I'm going to click on the link and it will land me on the TechRadar website. Here I will actually scroll down to see that it is long enough for me to actually create this recording. After everything is confirmed, I'll just click on the record button and the recording will start within 3 seconds. Now I'm going to just scroll down and do a bunch of things just for the sake of this tutorial. Once I'm done with this, I will just click on the stop recording button and it will stop the recording. I don't know if you can see it, but I have a small widget on my screen that you might not be able to see it. All I have to do is click on the stop recording button on that particular widget and it will eventually stop the recording. Once the recording is stopped, TechSmith's Camtasia software will initiate and I will be able to load this recording directly into the Camtasia editor. Alright, so Camtasia has loaded the recording. As you can see, the recording is right in front of you right now, and I'm going to just drag it a bit to see if it has recorded everything that I wanted, and that's pretty much it. Like, as you can see, it is also showing that it is recorded at 30 frames per second, which is the frame rate of the recording. On the extreme left corner, you will see that there is a panel in which you can see a lot of options such as audio effect, video, narration effects, visual effects, interactivity, creative captions, and a lot of other things. I'm just going to use the crop tool that TechSmith comes with, in order to trim out the parts that I don't need to be visible on the screen. So I'm gonna trim a lot of white space from the left and right, and also remove the Windows taskbar from the visibility area. After I'm done cropping, I'll just hit the enter button, and that's pretty much it. It looks pretty good to me. I'll just scroll down to the extreme bottom and see everything is working fine. And after I'm done, I'm just gonna click on the export button and click on the local file option. As soon as you click on the local file, it will just quickly export the file to the specified file format, which is MP4 in this recording. After that is completed, you can actually play around the dimension, encoding settings, and audio settings. And once you are done, you just have to click on the export button. Once the export is completed, it will actually open up the media player in your computer, and you will be able to see the recording after that. So I'll just click on the media, and boom, here you have the recording that was edited using Camtasia Editor. And as you can see that the recording and the edit is amazing. So it is a great software, I'm not gonna lie, and you can definitely use it to record your screen and your computer. That said, there are a few shortcomings when using Camtasia. Although it is a great screen recording software, it is an expensive screen recording software as well. So for people who don't want to deal with a very powerful platform and they don't need any video editing software, or they just want a high quality recording tool that could just help them add a few effects and help them cut out a few parts in their videos after the screen recording, I would still recommend PepoCloud over Camtasia. So that's pretty much it with this tutorial. Please drop your questions and doubts in the comments section below. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more similar updates. I will see you in my next tutorial. Till then, take care and bye-bye.